Hi, great people. I hope your day is going well today. All information provided on this channel is for educational purposes only, and this channel strives to enlighten and inform, not promote or encourage the misuse of the information. I encourage you to always to consider your intuition and your discernment. Some knowledge is my intuition given to me in pieces, some completed, and some from videos and articles. I will use words not intended to offend people, but to describe my point of view and how I see things. Respect that we all have different paths. I appreciate my subscribers and newcomers always. Your engagement is crucial, and your thoughts shape the discussion here on this channel. Please email me or chat under the videos what's on your mind videos, because those particular videos we talk about different things, where when I do videos by myself it's pretty much one topic. So thank you for that. Take what resonate with you, and what does not resonate with you, put it on the shelf or throw it away. Now, this particular video, this is my last time bothering y'all about this title. I named this video Jesus is Just Us. Okay, now I'm going to give you the metaphor once again, and this is going to be my last time doing it. I think this one here should be the one. Okay, Jesus representing the lower self emphasizes the transformation journey from earthly nature to higher spiritual state. The Christ, which is spelled Christ and Krist, and also Isis, because Isis represent the spirit. So does Christ and Christ. Often symbolizes the anointed one and the divine within, representing this transformation. Israel. Israel represent the struggle and striving toward a higher understanding of self. Now, Isis, Ra, and El draw from ancient spiritual tradition. Isis symbolizes the divine feminine energy. Ra represents the mind and conscious, and El signifies a divine creator, or fire, air, water, and earth. So Christ, and Israel is you. Transform you into Isis, which is spirit, Ra is mind, El is the God, which is the generator, operator, destroyer, spirit, fire, air, water, and earth. Okay. Now, the books of Matthew is Aquarius. That represent the mind, which equals air. Mark, the book of Mark is spirit, is Leo, represent fire. John is Scorpio, is emotion, represent water. Luke is Taurus, is body, represent earth. There were 16 other saviors in cultures as besides Jesus is. So it was 16 and Jesus makes 17. So 17 uh, equals 1 plus 7 equals 8. I did give you the 17 listed in the charts here. You'll see that I'm not going to name them. The God substance in you, the tetragrammaton is YHVH. It represents Yad He Vad He, which is Jehovah. Now, Yad often seen as representing the head of the intellect. He can symbolize the heart, excuse me, or emotion. Vav often associated with the arms or action. It can represent the physical or the nurturing aspects. Now, I know you ain't gonna like this, but Allah is a metaphor for various body parts. arm, leg, head. That's what it represents. It symbolizes the interconnections of different elements in life or spirituality. The number 8 carries spiritual significance across various traditions. I'm going to give you a few of what I know. Balance and harmony. The shape of the number 8, resembling an infinity symbol, represents balance and nature of life, abundance and prosperity. In numerology, 8 is often associated with material success, abundance, reflecting the idea in receiving the fruits of one's labor. Karmic lessons. Some believe that the number 8 relates to karmic, suggesting that your actions will return to you, emphasizing the importance of ethical behavior. Spiritual growth. In some spiritual traditions, 8 symbolizes a higher level of consciousness and spiritual evolution, encouraging individuals to seek their true purpose. Now, conclusion. Transformation. It can also represent transformation and change, aligning with moving from one state to another. Now, keep this in mind as I end this video. Your soul's purpose is to awaken to your true nature. You are the God substance incarnated. And don't let nobody tell you different. Hopefully, you get the gist of this video. Take care. Thank you.